Hi, I'm Dr. Marnie Luck, a naturopathic doctor here in Toronto and co-owner of Annex Naturopathic Clinic. Do you feel bloated after you eat? Do you have irregular bowel movements? Do you get stomach pain or heartburn or indigestion? If so, you may not have the most robust digestive process. And if you're having digestive concerns, it's a good idea to take a step back and think what might be causing these digestive concerns. So I want to talk about 3 things that can really help you improve your digestion. Number 1, make sure you have a fast overnight that is ideally 12 hours. If your digestion and your gastrointestinal tract is compromised, it needs a little bit of a break and some time to rest, repair, and restore. If you broke your arm, you put it in a sling and then you'd be able to rest it and let it heal. You can't stop eating, so we need to make sure that you do at least have a fast overnight that allows your body to recalibrate. So a good rule of thumb is after your last meal, try not to snack, and then don't eat again until 12 hours later. So if you eat dinner at 7:30, make sure you're not eating again until about 8 in the morning. So make sure you're hungry when you have your breakfast. So number 1, that's the 12-hour fast overnight. That's going to really be helpful for your digestion. Number 2, make sure that you're drinking water throughout the day, but don't drink excess amounts of water with your meals. My patients are always surprised by that, but when you think about it, we need really robust stomach acid for our food to hit the stomach acid in our stomach and for it to break down the food. If you're drinking a lot of water, that can reduce the strength of your gastric acid and thus not allow your stomach to break down food as well. So I always tell my patients, ideally limit excess amounts of liquids, about 30 minutes pre and post meal, and just sip fluids with your meal versus drink excess quantities. Make sure you're hungry when you eat. There's a misconception around it's better to have 6 meals a day versus 3 for your metabolism. That's absolutely not true. What's much more beneficial for our digestion is actually having 3 meals a day that are balanced and that we're hungry for. So limit snacking and aim for 3 meals a day that are balanced and healthy. And make sure when you're eating those meals that you're relaxed, you're sitting down, and that you're using that time to eat and not multitask with other things, because our brain needs to know that our body is eating, and it doesn't necessarily know that if we're multitasking with other things. So I hope you're able to implement these strategies and maybe your digestion can improve.